blood, sweat, and tears.
आकाश श्रॉफ क्या थे?
It's not that easy. It takes your life.
तो आपकी पहली सैलरी क्या थी?
Takes a team to build something. It's not an individual.
क्लाइंट्स, प्रोसेस. सो आप इससे कैसे डील? Most people think to leave their job, but very few actually take that risk. Every successful person has a story to tell, and there we exist. Welcome to Detox with Disha, where we bring real stories and journeys of every founders, change maker, and impact creators. 17 plus years of experience, job stability, corporate roles, or फिर एक decision to start from scratch. We have with us our guest, Mr. Akash Shroff, co-founder and chief technology officer of Neutrino Tech Systems, incorporated in 2019 and having multiple offices in India, US, and UAE. So today's conversation is not just about success. It's a journey of risk, fear, and clarity of mindset behind the success. Hello, Akash. It's good to have you here.
Thank you.
I think today's conversation will be more exciting and interesting.
I hope so.
Okay, so let's start. So I will start with something slightly unexpected question. क्या आपने कभी सोचा था CS दिशा श्रॉफ आपकी होस्ट होगी और आपका पॉडकास्ट होगा?
दोनों ही चीजें नहीं सोची थी. So neither I was expecting that you will be doing the podcast, and nor I'll be on any podcast for that matter.
Oh,
So yeah, तभी नहीं सोचा था.
ऑनेस्टली मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था, बट कूल जब मेरे दिमाग में ये ख्याल आया कि मुझे फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट करना है और वो भी विथ आकाश श्रॉफ, तो मेरे लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग था. और साथ साथ में थोड़ा सा क्योंकि पॉडकास्ट इज समथिंग फॉर्मल होता है और
Correct.
हम लोग पर्सनल कनेक्शन से थोड़ा सा इनफॉर्मल है. सो ठीक है, एनीवेज स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो आज के इसमें स्टार्टअप और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप काफ़ी ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है. और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, सीईओ, फाउंडर, और काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग इसको फैसिनेटिंग टर्म है और बहुत ज़्यादा उसको इस तरीके से देखते हैं, बट इसकी जर्नी उतनी ही चैलेंजिंग और हसलिंग वाली रहती है. सो आई वॉन्ट टू नो योर हसलिंग स्टोरी. सो हम लोग उससे स्टार्ट करेंगे. लाइक व्हाट वाज आकाश श्रॉफ बिफोर न्यूट्रिनो, बिफोर एवरीथिंग, लाइक बिफोर लीडरशिप रोल, बिफोर TCS. आकाश श्रॉफ क्या थे?
Studious लड़का था मैं, and
Okay.
before TCS, if I say, did my college, सब कुछ अच्छे से किया. When I joined TCS, I joined as a fresher, so lot of learnings, lot of foundational work that happened. Eventually, it got me to this journey of entrepreneurship, and we started Neutrino. But overall, yeah, rightly said, it's not a cakewalk. बहुत आसान जर्नी नहीं होती है, बहुत हसल होता है. जो एक्साइट होते हैं लोग, फैंसी करते हैं स्टार्टअप्स को, दे माइट लुक एट इट एज इमीडिएट सक्सेस और क्विकली पैसा बनाने का तरीका सोचते हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट इजी. इट टेक्स योर लाइफ. जनरली in Neutrino we call it blood, sweat, and tears is that's what we
Yes.
call it. So you have to give up everything, and that's how you can be successful. And even that success is a journey. So it takes a lot of time to establish yourself and be successful that way. We are still in those journeys.
Great. And you have had a strong corporate journey in TCS.
Correct.
So how was that phase of your life?
It was good like any other corporate employee. And we used to work hard. TCS में भी इतना ही काम करते थे, 12 hours, 14 hours, a lot of time.
बट वो किसी और के लिए था.
But वो किसी और के लिए था, that's correct. Late nights की, काफी कुछ किया. But then that sets you up with learning, with knowledge of how to work with different type of customers. Technology obviously is important aspect. So that was very foundational journey for me. 13-14 years that I spent in TCS, learning about US culture they have, technology, domain, everything. Very foundational. And even the last 4-5 years in TCS, set me up for a leadership journey as well. It kicked off at some point. I realized that it came quite natural to me, and that really helped with Neutrino as well.
ओके, सो मैं जान सकती हूँ आपकी पहली सैलरी क्या थी?
First paycheck मिला था after some deductions because we stayed in a TCS provided hostel which was not free, and which we came to know later. It was a shock. So quoted salary was I think
That was a
11,000.
shock.
Yeah, because they were never communicated that that it's going to be paid. So after deductions or something, we got 5,000 something.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, that was the first. Yes.
और क्या किया वो पहली सैलरी से?
I think it was spent before it came. So
Oh.
basically, I had to borrow some money, some more money to settle in Pune, get a rented apartment and all. So I borrowed from my father. So yeah, nothing fancy. I didn't gifted anything to
Oh,
others. It was mostly surviving actually.
ओके, एंड कॉर्पोरेट में आप इतने साल थे, तो कॉर्पोरेट से क्या सीखा आपने?
Big answer, but in short, ethics, the business mindset, putting your customer first, and overall, it takes a team to build something. It's not an individual person's job.
Yes.
Lot of learning, but this is what comes to my mind.
ओके, सो एनी अचीवमेंट, कोई ऐसा मोमेंट जो आपको याद हो कि हाँ ये दिस इज द अचीवमेंट?
From the corporate perspective,
यस,
TCS,
यस.
I got 3 back-to-back promotions, back-to-back early promotions. I was doing good in TCS, and जो भी problem statement मिला, जो भी team मिली, I was successful there. Uh, I cannot say a eureka moment type of thing कि ये एक point आया and I feel achieved. It was always a journey, and I grew steadily over the last 13 years, the 13 years that I spent in TCS.
ओके, सो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस कैसे मैनेज करते हैं?
I never found trouble with work-life balance. Frankly, uh, it's basically what we call like work-life continuum is what we call. Work and life goes hand in hand, and if you get time during, I never fixated myself with 9 to 5 or 10 to 6 kind of scenario. So if I want to do something at in the afternoon, I will do it even if it is not my work, and then maybe late night I will cover for it. So it's never like that I was not able to do what I wanted to do because of work or because of my life commitments. It always balanced automatically. It's just that you have to stay ahead of the curve. You need to be faster than others so that you are able to uh, kind of chart your own path rather than others instructing you that आप ऐसा करो या वैसा करो. आपका अपना path होना चाहिए. That's how you can balance it.
क्योंकि हम काफ़ी एंटरप्रेन्योर से बात करते हैं, तो मतलब उनका ऐसा बोलना है कि मैम हम कंपनी चला रहे हैं, लाइक वी आर द डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ आवर ओन कंपनी, सो वी हैव टू गिव टाइम एंड ऑल. तो फैमिली कंप्लेन करती है, तो आपके केस में ऐसा है?
I don't think so. Never really. Of course, there are sometimes you miss certain things, but otherwise there is no complaints from family.
सपोर्टिव है?
It is quite supportive, and obviously they also understand that we're trying to build something, and that takes its own toll. So that's how you work together on this.
Yes. And tell me that exact moment जब आपको ऐसा लगा कि अब बस कॉर्पोरेट करियर अभी स्टॉप करते हैं और खुद का कुछ करते हैं.
It was interesting. I was in US that time, and we were working on a mega project. And me and Sid, who is our partner in Neutrino, so we both started this together. We both were in working relationship before also. So he was my customer at that time, and we were both kind of techies as well as
कॉर्पोरेट टेकिंग.
yeah, and very hardworking. And in that big project, we realized that we are ultimately doing an awesome work, obviously, and we are spending 15 hours, 18 hours doing something innovative and different. And that thought came that why not do it for ourselves, and let's build something different. Uh, Another thing was that being in corporate for some a long time like this, obviously it was a good journey, but then you feel that few things are not in your control. So at some point you realize that if I have to answer my employee on certain thing, or my subordinates on certain things, like for example their salaries or their benefits, or if they want a lateral move in their career, you are not that empowered to effect that change, and that will kind of restrict the way you can motivate your team members. So always there was a lacking that if you are in a big organizations, uh, you have to be in that type boxes where you cannot move, you cannot do a lot of changes. If I want someone to get a 20% increment versus a 5% which TCS is doing, I cannot do that. They have to change the entire corporate culture for that, and we cannot do that. So I felt a little bit of you know not that liberty to effect policies or benefits, or any for that matter, even the career of any particular associate, which kind of prompted that let's do something where we build it differently, and that's how Neutrino was born. Customer becomes partner. Yeah, they become partners. Yeah, definitely. So let's talk about a big leap. Why Neutrino? Why Neutrino, as in the name Neutrino? Yes. Significance of this name. What happened was, me and my partner, we both come from big corporate companies. Like TCS is huge, and he was from another big company, um, which moved slow. So we wanted to move fast, okay, and which had lot of complications in processes and all everything. So we wanted to be nimble. So lightweight, fast, nimble. That's how the name came, Neutrino, which actually is a subatomic particle, which is weightless and has a speed corresponding to the speed of light. Okay. So the theme is that we are lightweight and we have a speed. So speed and nimbleness is what Neutrino signifies. Okay. So what does exactly your company do? Uh, so we started with services primarily, and providing services to primarily US market, healthcare So particularly. You have started first in US. We are in US only as of now Okay. also. So it's primarily US healthcare company, uh, and we started as a services provider to US companies, and धीरे धीरे we migrated into healthcare as a niche for us, and the companies find, generally they take few years to find their niche, that what they are actually. So we also took time to find that niche, and eventually we settled कि healthcare अपना एक area है हाँ. जो हमको अच्छा है, समझता है, और we have some solutions expertise there. So we provide services into healthcare ecosystem in US. Gradually now हम लोग move हो रहे हैं towards solutions and AI, and uh, 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 basically a higher up in the value chain, from services to solutions. That's what we're trying to move. Okay. So हमारे स्टार्टअप जर्नी में सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है टीम, क्लाइंट्स, प्रोसेस. सो आप इससे कैसे डील किए? So first the team comes, right? When you start a company, you have to build a team, a core team. Mostly हमारी टीम जो है, we inherited from our previous relationships, so it was all referral based. Okay. As in we knew those people actually. We were working with them for past many years, 5 years, 7 years. That kind of association was there. So the initial core team came from that, and later on, within the same customer reference ecosystem, we got customers also, and that's how we built it. Always customer centricity was always there, and always the attitude was that we'll go whatever it takes to fulfill the needs of the customer, even if it takes a lot more effort than actually planned. So delivering the excellence is the motto that
That
we
is your
have.
tagline.
That's our tagline, and we live by it. We don't leave customer hanging. We never say that the funds are over or the budgeted money is over and आगे का काम नहीं हो सकता है
हाँ.
until you fund more.
Usually ये होता है.
होता है, and whatever we committed we deliver, and we try to deliver with exceptional quality.
न्यूट्रिनो को 5 साल में कहाँ देखते हैं? विजन क्या है?
5 years is a long time to set visions nowadays. I would say next 2 years, we want to morph into a AI first company, a more solution oriented company, in providing significant exposure in the US healthcare ecosystem.
Oh.
And what I mean by exposure is not services driven, but we build a name for ourselves, wherein we are one of the provider of some niche technologies.
So, is there any impact of AI on jobs?
Definitely, there is an impact, but the current impact that we are seeing mostly is organization structure that is changing. You can say that they are kind of getting themselves ready for the impact,
Okay.
so that it is not sudden. So you see, right? For example, today TCS published a news that their headcount year on year reduced by about 25,000. Net they laid off about 80,000 people. So same thing will happen in most IT companies. But first it will be not AI impact, it will be more like getting for the impact, ready for the impact. Once the hype around AI is kind of mitigated and actual में जो impact है वो आना शुरू होगा, that time it will be a big blow. What I anticipate is that a service industry that is bread and butter for Indian IT will be impacted the most. The entire business model will change, and it's like it's not no more like a body shopping kind of business now. It will be measured based on outcome, and outcome can be achieved with far lesser people. So there will be impact, yes, 100%.
Okay. So, as your company is already in US and you know India market and international market better, so for technology business, which market is better, India or international?
Uh, Basically, US market is more mature in terms of technology adoption. So definitely we see a lot of traction in US as of now. But eventually, India is a big market, and the potential that they have for technology is immense. We have the highest internet users population. Consumption is highest from the data perspective. So that way, India has a lot of future from the technology adoption perspective. It's just not there yet. But US is leading in the adoption as of now, which is where most of the business is currently focused.
Okay.
So yeah, as of now US, but in future India will pick it up.
India will. So startup से scaling की journey एक one word में बताइए कैसी थी?
Like you said earlier, hustle.
Hustle.
Yeah.
So Akash, moving to rapid fire round.
Okay.
Money या passion?
Money.
Okay. Build fast or build right?
Build fast.
Okay. Cool. काफी लोग बोलते build right.
Build fast.
Okay. Logic या intuition?
Intuition.
And India or international?
India.
India. So before we end,
Yes.
there is a interesting part of my podcast which is called tradition. It means you have to give one confession, one advice, and one lesson that truly defines your journey.
Okay. One confession
Yes.
truly defines our journey, right?
Yes.
We made mistakes in the beginning. So the way we set the expectations up with the initial leadership team sometimes are not great. We could have done better that time.
One advice.
No startup should behave like a startup from the people perspective. The ambition should be to build a corporate with a startup mindset. and that requires doing everything formally and in the interest of their people. It should not compromise on those part.
A lot of founders do this mistake when they don't make it, centric to their employees. And the approach is more, getting the money fast. That's the wrong way. The foundational, they should do it right.
One lesson.
One lesson. Uh, from my personal perspective, the lesson is we should have started even 5 years back. So
Okay.
instead of 2019, we should have started 2014. So the advice is that if you are thinking of starting a entrepreneurship journey, you should do it fast. It's better to fail faster. Uh, there is no point where you will be ready to become an start a business or found a business. If you think that you can do it, you should start right away. There will be no stability in your life ever. That you have no commitments and now you can start a business. That point will never come.
We
Better
can
you
say
start
there is
early.
no perfect time.
There's no perfect time. If you feel that you should do it, you should do it.
Thank you so much, Akash, for such a real and wonderful insight.
Thank you.